Welcome to Essential EGL+Batch. This video series is based upon EGL Development Tools version 0.8. This is Lesson 20. Lesson 20 is actually a bonus lesson because it's going to be quick and easy. We've already created a new package called lab.lesson20. You need to do the same thing. And then we create a source file called function.info. And inside of function.info, we'll start by creating a delegate. And if you remember from a previous lesson, a delegate is a reference to a function. The onDemo delegate is going to be a function that has no parameters and has no return type. So it returns nothing. Then we create a record called function.info, and function.info is going to have a field called name. And it's going to have a field called demo, which is of the onDemo type. So you can actually put a reference to a function in a record. No problem at all. That's all there is to function.info. Then we're going to create a new program for lab.lesson20 called lesson 20. The program is going to look something like this. Well, we'll go over it in some detail. First, we have a filler, which is a bunch of hyphens, and I don't remember how many exactly. And then we have our function main, and everything's happening in function main. We use the regular decoration, which is using the batch_lib start program and batch_lib.end program. Now, we create a list that's of the type function.info, and its array of function.info, and then we define it in line right there, and we're going to use a new keyword to create new records for that array. And then within the curly braces, we're going to set the field values. So name is going to be equal to datelib. That's the name of the function, where the function comes from. And then demo is going to be set to the function datelib.demo. So now demo is a reference to datelib.demo, and it can be called as if demo were calling that function directly. Now this is a comma delimited list of all the different functions that we want to call. These are the demo functions of all these different libraries. Now if you haven't gone over a particular lesson, you can comment out the library or not type it in. And what we want to do is be able to go and do EGL source organize imports, selecting the timestamp lib from lesson 5 and the batch lib from lesson 16. So we have a library from lesson 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. That all the work that we've done up to now. And then what we have to do, because we have two libraries that are both called timestamp lib, for lesson 12, we're going to use the fully qualified name, which is lab.lesson12.timestamp lib. And then its function is .demo. So there is no collision of namespace when we can use a fully qualified name. Then for each function info record that we have, so we go through the list of function info, which is an array of function info records. We're going to print out a blank line. Then we're going to calculate a title. Now title is going to be a fixed length string. So we'll put in space, the name of the function, and a space, and then the filler. That's going to be the title. And then we're going to print out to the console the filler, the title, and more filler. So it'll always be the same length. Another blank line, and then we're going to call item.demo. That means that the reference to a function that's in a record, we're going to invoke that function. If you remember, the demo field is a delegate on demo type. And then 2 blank lines at the end. Now let me go through this one more time about the imports. I'll go over it a little bit more slowly, because this is an important thing here. So we go to EGL source and organize imports, and if there is more than one library with the same name, same short name, it gives a list that we have to choose one and click next if there's more than one, finish if we get all the way to the end. We can format our source code. Let's take that for a test run. This has been a bonus lesson of Essential EGL Batch. Thanks for watching.